Hi. Recently, when I use Camtasia, I see a blurry screen. But, when I recorded the video, the screen was in HD. If I zoom it, you can see the screen. It's a bit blurred, but not because of my recording. So, let's fix it. This is the recorded project. As you can see, a yellow dot is there, which is causing this to be blurred. It's also known as proxy video given in the latest version of the Camtasia, which I really don't know why. However, to fix it, right-click on the project. Go to Proxy Video. And delete the proxy video. Instantly after deleting it, you can see the difference. The video is HD again and no blurriness. So, this is how you can remove the video's proxy or being blurred in Camtasia latest version video editor. Hope this helped you, and please be with us to inspire. Goodbye.